Hello, I am Mr. Kadganji from Siddheshwar Prashala, Solapur. Today we are going to study a standard 10th Maths 1 chapter number 2, that is quadratic equation. From this chapter we have studied 2.1 practice set. Now we are going to see the practice set 2.2. So question number 1, solve the following quadratic equation by factorization method. Here first example, x square minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0. In this equation, the first term, that is an x square, is having the coefficient 1. So 1 into this constant term 54, that is an 54. With sign, plus into plus, that is plus. Now find the factor of 54. 1 into 54 is equal to 54. That is 2 into 27, that is equal to 54. 3 into 3 2 are 7. 3 1s are 3, 4 5, 3 8s are, that is 3 18s are 24. And 6 into 9, that is equal to 54. Now, here, the middle term sign, that is a minus 15 is there, minus sign is there. Give that minus sign to the greater number. That is here minus 9, minus 18, minus 27, minus 54. And now this 54 is having the positive sign. So negative into negative, that is positive. So here also we have given the negative number. Now forget this multiplication sign. And whatever by the sign rule, whatever the answer comes, it should be the minus 15. Minus 1, minus 54, that is minus 55. It is not there here. Minus 2, minus 27, the addition of this is minus 29. It is not there here. Now go to the minus 6, minus 9. Minus 6, minus 9, that is a minus 15. That means the required factor is minus 6 into minus 9. Now we are going to split the middle term. Now here x square is minus 15. In this way minus 6x minus 9x plus 54 is equal to 0. Now from this 2, x is common. Inside the bracket x minus 6. Here minus 9 is common. Inside the bracket. Here x remain. Minus into minus this plus. 9 into 6, that is 54, is equal to 0. Now x minus 6 is in a common, and in another bracket x minus 9 is equal to 0. So x minus 6 is equal to 0, or x minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 6. Minus 6 goes to the other side, it becomes plus 6. Or here x is equal to 9. That is 6 and 9 are the root of given quadratic equation. Now second example, that is homework for you. Now third example, here coefficient of y square is in a 2 and the constant term is 13. That is 2 into 13, that is in a 26. The factor of 26, 1 into 26. And 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, that is 2 13s are 26. Now here the middle term sign is in a plus sign is there. So give to the greater number that plus sign. Now here 26, that is also a positive number. Plus into plus, that is in a plus. So now the middle term is in a plus 27. Forget this multiplication sign. Plus 26 plus 1, that is in a plus 27. That means the required factor is this plus 1 and 26. Now split this term, that is 2y square plus 27. We are going this take these factors now. 1y plus 26y plus 13 is equal to 0. Now from this y is common. Inside the bracket 2y plus 1 plus. Now from this 26y plus 13, that is 13 is in a common. Inside the bracket 13 2s are 26, this y plus 13 1s are 13 is equal to 0. That is 2y plus 1. This is the common bracket. In another bracket y plus 13 is equal to 0. 2y plus 1 is equal to 0, or y plus 13 is equal to 0. That is 2y is equal to plus 1 shifted to the other side, it becomes minus 1. Then y is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Or y is equal to plus 13 shifted to the other side, it becomes minus 13. That means minus 1 upon 2 and minus 13 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Now third example, here 2x square minus 2x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. Now here in the denominator 2 is there, so multiply this equation by 2, you will get that 2 2s are 4x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now here the coefficient of x square is 4 and the constant term is 1. 4 1s are 4. Now find the factor here, that is 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Now middle term sign, that is a minus sign is there, so give it to the greater number. Here minus 4 is a greater, here both are same, so give the minus sign to any one of the digit. So now here the product is plus 4 is there, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus. Now required minus 4 we want, forget this multiplication sign, minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 will get it. Here minus 4 is there, so this is the not required factor. Minus 2 minus 2, that is a minus 4, so the required factor is a minus 2 and minus 2. So here split the middle term. Now here 4x square minus 2x minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now from this x is in a 2x is in a common. Inside the bracket 2x minus 1 minus 1 is in a common. Inside the bracket 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. 2x minus 1 in another bracket again 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. That is 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to this minus 1 shifted, it becomes plus 1, so x is equal to 1 upon 2. Or 2x minus 1 shifted to the other side, it becomes plus 1, then x is equal to 1 upon 2. Then 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2 are the roots of given quadratic equation. After completing, you can take the screenshot. Now question number 7, under root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 under root 2 is equal to 0. To solve this quadratic equation by factorization method, complete the following activity. Under root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 under root 2 is equal to 0. Now here the coefficient of x square is an under root 2 and the constant term is 5 under root 2 that we have taken here. Under root 2 into under root 2, that is 2, and this 5 into 2, that is 10. Factor of 10 is 2 into 5. and 1 into 10. Now here the middle term sign is a plus. The plus sign we are going to give it to the greater number, that is minus plus 5 and plus 10. Here plus sign is there, plus into plus, plus into plus, plus. Now forget this multiplication sign, use the sign rule. 5 plus 2, that is 7. Here it is 7. So the required factor is here 2 plus, that is 2 into 5, under root 2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 under root 2 is equal to 0. Now from this x we have taken common. Here remains 2 under root 2 and here x plus 5 plus under root 2 we have taken common. Under root 2 into under root 2, that is 2, and this x plus from this under root 2 we have taken common 5, bracket complete, is equal to 0. Now under root 2x plus 5, this is a common bracket. Now remaining term x plus under root 2 we have taken in the another bracket is equal to 0. This first bracket is equal to 0 or the second bracket is equal to 0. Now x is equal to here. This term will solve it here to the rough work. Now here under root 2 x plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to plus 5 goes to the other side, minus 5 it becomes upon under root 2. Now x is equal to minus 5 upon under root 2, or x is equal to minus under root 2. That means minus 5 upon under root 2 and minus under root 2 are the roots of the equation. Now 9th example, question is 2m in bracket m minus 24 is equal to 50. Now we will solve the bracket. 2m square minus 2 into 24, that is 48, m is equal to 50. Divided by, that is 2m square minus 48m minus 50 is equal to 0. Now divided by 2 you will get that m square minus 24m minus 25 is equal to 0. Now coefficient of m square is 1. So 1 into this minus 25, that is minus 25. Factor of this is 1 into 25 and 5 5s are 25 and 25 1s are 25. Or 125s are 25, already we have written that. Now give the middle term sign to the greater number. Here minus sign is there, so minus 25 minus 5, and here negative is there, minus into plus, that is a minus, minus into plus, that is a minus, minus 25 plus 1, that is a minus 24 we will get. So the required factor is 1 into minus 25. So here split the middle term, m square plus 1m minus 25m minus 25 is equal to 0. m is common, m plus 1 minus 25 is common, inside the bracket m plus 1 is equal to 0. m plus 1 is in a common, inside the bracket this remaining terms m minus 25 is equal to 0. m plus 1 is equal to 0 or m minus 25 is equal to 0. m is equal to minus 1 or m is equal to 25. That is minus 1 and 25 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Now 11th example, question is 7m square is equal to 21m. 7m square, this plus 21 shift to the other side of this equal to sign, it becomes minus 21m is equal to 0. From 7m square minus 21m, that is 7m is in a common inside the bracket, m minus 7 3s are 21 and m is here outside the bracket is equal to 0. So 7m is equal to 0 or m minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore m is equal to 0 or m is equal to 3. Here 0 upon 7, that is equal to 0 only. So 0 and minus 3 and 3 are the roots of given quadratic equation. After completing each and every question, you can take the screenshot to write it in the notebook. Thank you.